all, myself, my name is Piro Chiknath. We are studying in standard in English medium school. Joining with me Rajesh, Anil and Niranjan. We are all here to present is come to enhance our power activity.
In this activity we will tell four forms of the verb with examples.
So here go. Let's do it.
First form of the verb is quarrel. I repeat quarrel. Example for the quarrel is quarrel with everyone. I repeat is quarrel with everyone.
Second form of the verb is quarreled. I repeat quarreled. Example for the quarreled is my brother quarreled with me. I repeat my brother quarreled with me.
Third form of the verb is quarreled. I repeat quarreled. Example for the quarreled is they have quarreled with us. I repeat they have quarreled with us.
Fourth form of the verb is quarreling. For example form of the quarreling, I repeat, example form of the quarreling is boys are quarreling. I repeat, boys are quarreling.
Today's verbs are quarrel, quarreled, quarreled, quarreling.
Thank you for giving us this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
Today Shravan Kumar of 7th standard is going to celebrate his birthday. Let us all together wish him. Many more happy returns of the day and may God bless you. Can you tell something about your best friend? Anyone?
He is kind-hearted person.
All are saying the same thing. Tell some more. Tell one
He is very naughty and funny, sir.
memorable incident with your friend. In classroom or outside? Memorable or funny incident happened with your friend. There any? You? Okay, all the best. Go. Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, sir. How are you all? I'm good, thank you. So, my dear students, for 8th and 9th, today, physics and biology, both are there for ST, right? So, 8th standard students, I hope you prepared well, right? Okay, 8th standard, A section, roll number 17. Who is roll number 17? 8th standard A section, come up on stage. Introduce yourself and tell about what did you prepare for today's session.
My name is M. Navita. I am studying 8th standard physics. Water fluids. Water fluids, the substance which can flow, are called fluids. Generally, liquids and gases are called fluids. What is drag? The force exerted by a fluid is called drag. Name the types of frictions. Static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, fluid friction. Biology. Name the briefly. Describe the pluff. The pluff is made of wood. It can draw a pair of bulls or other animals, horse or camel. It contains strongest triangular iron strip is called pluff share. The main part of the pluff is a long log of wood is called pluff shot. The handle is at one end of the shaft. The other end of the attached the beam, which can placed on the bull's necks. One pair of bulls can a man easily operate the pluff. Usage. Pluff is used for turning the soil, adding fertilizers, removing the weeds. Thank you.
Very good, very good. So, 8th standard, B section, boys section, roll number 30.
physics. My name is Niranjan. I am studying 8th standard. Physics, rolling fiction, writing fiction. What are the force of the fiction? Fiction is nothing but the
Number 14 from boys section, 8th standard. Roll number 14.
Sam Masa and studying 8th class. Physics. What is the force of fiction? The fiction acting on a moving object equal and opposite directions of motion is called force of fiction. Name the types of fiction: static fiction, sliding fiction, rolling fiction, fluid fiction. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Have me.
Very good. So my dear students, some students they are saying very well. Some students they are thinking about the answer. So this problem arises if you don't understand the point. So while reading, first understand the answer, question and answer. First understand the question. Then that answer also, every point, every word you should understand. So after that you start reading. So read 1 or 2 times as per your ability. You can read 1 or 2 times. Again you can try to write or else try to memorize once. So if you do like this, then easily you can remember. That flow will come. So now Navita said very well. Navita, right? Her name? Navita said very well. And that boy also tried, but some flow is missing. So that flow comes only if you understand the question and answer clearly. Meaning every word, every sentence. If you have doubts, teachers are available here. You can ask and clear your doubt in classroom or in study hour. And after going home, you can read yourself and practice writing also. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.